Leveraging the GP2 processor and a powerful new sensor, the HERO11 Black lineup captures the widest and tallest field of view with unsurpassed image quality and unbeatable stabilization. The lineup includes HERO11 Black, the most versatile and powerful GoPro yet; HERO11 Black Creator Edition, the ultimate camera for filmmakers; and HERO11 Black Mini, full performance in a simple design. Experience end-to-end automation with HERO11 Black. Simply plug in your GoPro when you connect to your home Wi-Fi. While it's charging, your footage is automatically uploaded to the cloud and used to make a highlight video, complete with beat-synced music and effects. Videos are automatically sent to your phone and ready to share. The new larger 1/1.9-inch image sensor delivers the widest and tallest image field of view ever on a HERO camera. With that, it enables a host of new features, such as the new 8:7 aspect ratio. Share the same shot anywhere. The 8:7 aspect ratio captures more of the scene in each shot. The added height makes it perfect for creating extra tall 9:16 vertical shots or any other size you need for any social media platform with less cropping using the GoPro Quick app or other editing software. The Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth stabilization raises the bar even more with Hypersmooth 5.0, Horizon Lock, improved stabilization across 4:3 aspect ratio, and Auto Boost for maximum stabilization with minimal image cropping. Give your videos the look of professional productions by keeping the horizon steady, straight, and smooth when using the linear digital lens. HERO11 Black delivers Horizon Lock, which keeps your footage steady even if your camera rotates a full 360 degrees during capture. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park, or get some awesome pet POV shots. Even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Get immersive with Hyperview. This GoPro exclusive lens takes the 8:7 aspect ratio footage served up by our new image sensor and delivers it as a wide-angle 16:9 shot. The result is ultra immersive video that amps up action-oriented POV footage by capturing more of you and your surroundings. The new sensor, combined with the incredible GP2 processor, delivers next-generation image quality with greater dynamic range and more immersive color with 10-bit encoding. HERO11 Black lets you choose between capturing 8-bit or 10-bit color. 10-bit color delivers enhanced color depth, smoother gradations, and more realism for your videos. Capable of displaying over 1 billion colors in comparison to 8-bit, which displays only 16.7 million colors. HERO11 Black's new image sensor boosts photo resolution up to an incredible 27 megapixels while delivering 5.3K 60 video with amazingly fluid motion that you can use to grab stunning 24.7 megapixel stills of your favorite shots. Plus, record 2.7K 240 video, which can be played back in 8 times slow-mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. The HERO11 Black comes inclusive with the groundbreaking Enduro battery. Using advanced technology, the 1720 mAh Enduro battery dramatically improves camera performance in cold temperatures, while also extending recording times by up to 38%. On the other hand, HERO11 Black Mini features an embedded built-in non-removable 1500 mAh battery with Enduro technology that offers improved cold weather performance. Light up the night with the 3 new night lapse presets on the HERO11 Black. The new night presets easily captures the motion of stars in the night sky and moving lights in the dark without any post-production required. Star Trails uses the Earth's rotation and stars to capture beautiful light trails across the night sky. Light painting lets you create brilliant brushstroke effects with moving light. Vehicle Light Trails uses nighttime traffic to record stunning light trail footage. Rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, front and rear LCD screens to frame your shot perfectly. HERO11 Black carries over the great form factor of HERO10 Black, enabling all mounts and accessories, including batteries and mods, to be fully compatible. And for the all-in-one filmmaking powerhouse, the HERO11 Black Creator Edition, it comes with everything to create production-level content right out of the box. At the heart of it all is the HERO11 Black. Delivering professional-level image quality and amazing stabilization, And with Volta included, you get more battery capacity to keep you powered throughout the day. On top of that, Medium mod and Light mod give you additional functionality for the creative control that you need. HERO11 Black Mini is designed around quick capture as the core on-camera experience. Preloaded with the best mods and settings, there is no need to fuss around to get the perfect shot. Just point and shoot and remain present in the moment with your activity. With the flagship performance simplified and packed in a smaller, lighter design, HERO11 Black Mini is built extra rugged with a full body enclosure that is ready for action. It includes 2 sets of mounting fingers for increased versatility with mounting options, and as of the all Hero cameras, is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. Let's not forget, HERO11 Black will also have all of the following features of the HERO10 Black, and that includes live streaming, Time Warp 3.0, power tools including hindsight, duration plus scheduled capture, webcam mode, GPS and motion sensors. The HERO11 Black lineup promises an unparalleled experience for all of our customers that enables them to capture and share their stories with ease, wherever they go and whatever they do. Don't forget to check out GoPro.com/HERO11Black for more details about the camera. Thanks for watching.